Hello everyone. Today I will be explaining Wolff's law of transformation of bone. Wolff's law was proposed by Julius Wolff in the 19th century. It states that the bone in a healthy individual adapts to the loads under which it is placed. So, when forces act on the bone, it remodels itself to resist the forces. So, basically, bone is not a static, it is a dynamic and responsive. Next one is bone adaptation. When loading increases, bone becomes stronger, the internal trabecular architecture changes, secondary changes occurs in the cortical bone, making it thicker. But when the load decreases, bone becomes less dense and weakens due to the lack of stimulus. This shows bone requires continuous remodeling. The next one is mechanism. The bone responds to stress and strain by resorption of the existing bone, deposition of new bone. These changes occurs on the surface of the bone under the periosteum and also in the cancellous bone. This helps bone achieve maximum strength with minimum material. So, in brief, the bone changes its external shape and internal architecture in response to the stress acting on it. In orthodontics, this explains how teeth move. Forces applied to the teeth causes alveolar bone remodeling. That's why controlled force is essential for safe and effective treatment. Thank you.